Brother, come, and let us go unto our God. And when we stand before him, I shall say, Lord, I do not hate. I am hated. I scourge no one. I am scourged. I covet no lands. My lands are coveted. I mock no peoples. My peoples are mocked. And brother, what shall you say?